To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. The Powerful Advantages of a Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA. In an era characterized by economic uncertainty, volatile stock markets, and the ever-present specter of inflation, savvy investors are increasingly seeking refuge and stability for their hard-earned retirement savings. While traditional retirement vehicles like stocks and bonds have long been the cornerstone of many portfolios, the limitations of these assets in turbulent times are becoming increasingly apparent. Enter the Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, a powerful and strategic tool that offers a compelling alternative and a potent pathway to safeguarding and growing your wealth for a secure and comfortable retirement. A Gold IRA, in essence, is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals like silver, platinum, and palladium within the tax-advantaged structure of an IRA. This seemingly simple concept unlocks a treasure trove of advantages, establishing the Gold IRA as not just a niche investment, but a critical component of a well-rounded and resilient retirement portfolio. In this comprehensive audiobook, we will delve deep into the multifaceted benefits of a Gold IRA, exploring why it is rapidly gaining traction as a powerful investment strategy for individuals seeking financial security and long-term wealth preservation. Understanding the foundation. What exactly is a Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA? Before we embark on a detailed exploration of the advantages, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation by understanding what a Gold IRA truly is and how it operates. At its core, a Gold IRA is not dramatically different from a traditional IRA or Roth IRA in terms of its tax-advantaged nature. The key differentiator lies in the types of assets that are permitted within the account. While conventional IRAs primarily hold paper assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a Gold IRA, as the name suggests, allows you to invest in physical precious metals. It's critical to understand that you cannot simply purchase gold coins or bars and store them in your home safe while calling it a Gold IRA. The IRS mandates specific rules and regulations for precious metals IRAs to maintain their tax-advantaged status. Here's a breakdown of the key components and operational mechanics of a Gold IRA. Self-directed IRA custodian. Unlike traditional IRAs offered by brokerage firms that typically limit investment choices, a Gold IRA requires a self-directed IRA custodian. These custodians are specialized financial institutions that are equipped to handle the complexities of holding physical precious metals within an IRA framework. They act as intermediaries, facilitating the purchase, storage, and administration of your precious metals holdings. Choosing a reputable and experienced custodian is paramount to ensure compliance and smooth operation of your Gold IRA. IRS-approved precious metals. The IRS has stringent guidelines regarding the types of precious metals that are permissible within a Gold IRA. Generally, these metals must meet specific purity standards and be in the form of IRS-approved bullion or coins. Commonly accepted metals include gold, must be 0.995 fine, 99.5% pure, and can be in the form of bars or coins such as American gold eagles, Canadian gold maple leafs, American gold buffaloes, and certain gold bars from recognized mints and refiners. Silver must be 999 fine, 99.9% pure, and can be in the form of bars or coins such as American silver eagles, Canadian silver maple leafs, and silver rounds and bars from approved sources. Platinum must be 0.9995 fine, 99.5% pure, and can be in the form of bars or coins from approved mints and refiners. Palladium must be 0.9995 fine, 99.95% pure, and can be in the form of bars or coins from approved mints and refiners. It's crucial to consult with your custodian or a reputable precious metals dealer to ensure that the metals you are considering meet IRS requirements for inclusion in a gold IRA. Certain collectible coins or metals of lower purity are typically not permitted. Secure depository storage. A fundamental requirement of a gold IRA is that the physical precious metals must be stored in an IRS-approved, third-party depository. You cannot store the metals at home or in a personal safe deposit box. These depositories are highly secure, insured facilities specializing in the safekeeping of precious metals. They offer various storage options, often including segregated storage, where your metals are kept separately from others, and commingled storage, where metals are stored with others of the same type and purity. The depository is responsible for the secure storage and insurance of your precious metals holdings. Contribution limits and tax advantages. Gold IRAs, like traditional and Roth IRAs, are subject to annual contribution limits set by the IRS. These limits can change annually, so it's essential to stay informed about the current year's contribution limits. The tax advantages of a gold IRA mirror those of traditional and Roth IRAs. You can choose between a traditional gold IRA, which offers tax-deferred growth, contributions may be tax-deductible, and taxes are paid upon withdrawal in retirement, or a Roth Gold IRA, which offers tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars. The choice between a traditional and Roth Gold IRA depends on your individual financial situation and tax planning goals. Unveiling the powerful advantages. Why choose a gold IRA? Now that we have a clear understanding of the mechanics of a gold IRA, let's delve into the compelling advantages that make it such a powerful investment vehicle, especially in today's complex economic landscape. 1. The ultimate inflation hedge, preserving purchasing power. Inflation, the insidious erosion of purchasing power, is a constant threat to retirement savings. As the cost of goods and services rises, the real value of paper assets like cash, bonds, and even stocks can diminish. Gold, in stark contrast, has historically demonstrated a remarkable ability to act as a powerful hedge against inflation. Throughout history, gold has maintained its intrinsic value, acting as a reliable store of wealth during inflationary periods. When inflation rises, the value of paper currencies tends to decline as their purchasing power weakens. Investors often flock to gold as a safe haven asset during such times, driving up its demand and price. This inverse relationship between gold and paper currencies makes gold an effective inflation hedge, helping to preserve the purchasing power of your retirement savings. Consider historical examples. During periods of high inflation in the 1970s, gold experienced a dramatic surge in value. Similarly, during periods of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures in more recent times, gold has often outperformed traditional asset classes. This historical performance is not merely anecdotal. It is rooted in the fundamental properties of gold as a scarce and inherently valuable asset. By including gold in your retirement portfolio through a gold IRA, you are strategically positioning a portion of your savings in an asset that has a proven track record of weathering inflationary storms and safeguarding your purchasing power when it matters most, in retirement. This inflation hedging capability is arguably one of the most compelling advantages of a gold IRA, providing a crucial layer of protection against the silent wealth destroyer that is inflation. 2. Diversification. Beyond the conventional, mitigating portfolio risk. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to mitigate risk and enhance returns. A well-diversified portfolio typically includes a mix of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce the impact of any single asset class's poor performance on the overall portfolio. However, in times of market turmoil or economic crises, correlations between traditional asset classes can increase, diminishing the effectiveness of diversification. This is where gold steps in as a truly unconventional diversifier, offering unique benefits that go beyond standard diversification strategies. Gold has a historically low or even negative correlation with many traditional asset classes, particularly stocks and bonds. This means that when stocks and bonds are declining, gold often performs differently, sometimes even moving in the opposite direction. This inverse or uncorrelated behavior stems from gold's role as a safe haven asset and its sensitivity to different economic factors than those that typically drive stock and bond markets. For instance, during periods of economic recession, stock markets tend to decline due to reduced corporate earnings and investor risk aversion. Bond yields may also fall as interest rates are lowered to stimulate the economy. However, during such times, investors often seek the safety and security of gold, leading to increased demand and potentially higher gold prices. By incorporating gold into your retirement portfolio through a Gold IRA, you are adding a truly uncorrelated asset that can act as a counterbalance to the volatility of stocks and bonds. This can significantly reduce the overall risk profile of your portfolio, potentially smoothing out returns and providing greater stability during periods of market uncertainty. In essence, gold diversification is not just about spreading your investments across different sectors. It's about strategically adding an asset class that behaves differently from traditional assets, providing a crucial layer of resilience and downside protection to your retirement savings. 3. The safe haven in times of crisis, a store of value and stability. Throughout history, gold has been revered as a safe haven asset, a store of value that people turn to during times of economic turmoil, geopolitical instability, or financial crises. While paper currencies and other financial assets can be subject to devaluation, inflation, or even complete loss of value in extreme scenarios, gold has consistently maintained its inherent worth. In times of global uncertainty, when stock markets plummet, currencies fluctuate wildly, and economic indicators flash red, investors instinctively seek the security and stability of gold. This flight to safety phenomenon drives up demand for gold, often leading to price appreciation when other asset classes are declining. Gold's historical performance during crises underscores its role as a bedrock of stability in turbulent times. Consider major historical events. During the Great Depression, gold retained its value while banks failed and stock markets crashed. During periods of geopolitical crises and wars, gold has often served as a refuge for wealth preservation. Even in more recent financial crises, such as the 2008 global financial crisis, gold experienced significant price increases as investors sought a safe haven amidst market turmoil. This safe haven appeal is not simply based on sentiment. It is rooted in gold's fundamental attributes. Gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. It is scarce, durable, and universally recognized as a store of wealth. It is not tied to any particular government or financial institution, making it less susceptible to the risks associated with sovereign debt or banking crises. This inherent stability and independence from the vagaries of the financial system make gold a compelling safe haven asset. By including gold in your retirement portfolio through a Gold IRA, you are strategically positioning a portion of your savings in an asset that has a proven track record of acting as a safe haven during crises. This can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that a portion of your retirement savings is protected from the potential fallout of economic or geopolitical upheavals. In essence, a Gold IRA is not just an investment. It's an insurance policy for your retirement wealth against unforeseen global crises. 4. Tangible asset ownership, control, and peace of mind. In an increasingly digital and intangible financial world, the ownership of physical gold and other precious metals within a Gold IRA offers a unique and compelling advantage: the tangible nature of the asset. While stocks, bonds, and mutual funds exist primarily as electronic entries on brokerage statements, physical gold and silver are tangible, real assets that you can see, touch, and hold. This tangible aspect resonates deeply with many investors, particularly those who value the security and control that comes with owning something physical. In a world where financial systems can feel abstract and opaque, the tangible reality of precious metals provides a sense of grounding and reassurance. You are not just relying on a promise or a digital representation. You are holding a store of value that has been recognized and prized for millennia. The tangible nature of precious metals also offers a sense of control. While you cannot physically possess the metals held within your Gold IRA due to IRS regulations requiring depository storage, you have direct ownership of those specific metals held in your account. This contrasts with indirect investments in gold, such as gold ETFs or mutual funds, where you own shares of a fund that holds gold, but not the physical metal itself. Direct ownership of physical gold in a Gold IRA provides a greater sense of control and direct connection to your investment. Furthermore, the tangible nature of gold can offer psychological benefits, particularly during times of market volatility. When stock markets are plummeting and investment values are declining, the tangible reality of your gold holdings can provide a sense of comfort and stability. Knowing that you own a real, tangible asset that is not subject to the same counterparty risks and complexities as many paper assets can be emotionally reassuring. While the intangible aspects of modern finance offer convenience and efficiency, the tangible nature of gold and other precious metals in a Gold IRA provides a valuable counterpoint. It offers a sense of ownership, control, and peace of mind that can be particularly appealing to investors seeking a more grounded and secure approach to retirement savings. 5. Long-term growth potential. Capital appreciation over time. While gold is often lauded for its safe haven and inflation hedging properties, it is also important to recognize its potential for long-term capital appreciation. Historically, gold has not only preserved value during inflationary periods and crises, but it has also demonstrated the capacity to generate significant returns over extended time horizons. Over the long run, the price of gold is influenced by a variety of factors, including supply and demand dynamics, economic conditions, inflation expectations, interest rates, and geopolitical events. While gold prices can be volatile in the short term, the long-term trend has generally been upward, reflecting the increasing scarcity of gold and the growing global demand for this precious metal. Consider the historical performance of gold over the past few decades. While there have been periods of price fluctuations, the overall trend has been one of significant appreciation. This long-term growth is driven by fundamental factors, including limited supply. Gold is a finite resource, and its annual mine production is relatively limited compared to the existing global gold stock. This inherent scarcity contributes to its long-term value appreciation potential. Increasing demand. Demand for gold comes from various sources, including investment demand, jewelry demand, industrial demand, and central bank demand. As global wealth grows and economic uncertainty persists, demand for gold as an investment and store of value is likely to continue increasing. Currency debasement. Over time, fiat currencies tend to lose purchasing power due to inflation and government policies. As currencies are debased, the price of gold, priced in those currencies, tends to rise to maintain its real value. While gold may not always outperform stocks or other high-growth assets in every short-term period, its long-term growth potential should not be underestimated. By including gold in your retirement portfolio through a Gold IRA, you are not only seeking safety and stability, but also positioning yourself to potentially benefit from the long-term appreciation of this precious metal. This growth potential, coupled with its safe haven and inflation hedging properties, makes gold a compelling asset for long-term retirement investing. 6. Tax-advantaged growth. Maximizing retirement savings. One of the foundational advantages of any IRA, including a Gold IRA, is the tax-advantaged nature of these retirement accounts. Gold IRAs offer the same tax benefits as traditional and Roth IRAs, allowing your retirement savings to grow in a tax-efficient manner. This tax advantage can significantly enhance the long-term growth potential of your Gold IRA and maximize your retirement nest egg. Tax-deferred growth. Traditional Gold IRA. With a traditional Gold IRA, your contributions may be tax-deductible, meaning you can reduce your current taxable income. More importantly, the earnings and gains within your Gold IRA grow on a tax-deferred basis. You do not pay taxes on the growth of your precious metals holdings until you take distributions in retirement. This tax-deferred growth allows your investments to compound more rapidly as you are not losing a portion of your earnings to taxes each year. The power of compounded tax-deferred growth over decades can be substantial, significantly increasing your retirement savings. Tax-free growth and withdrawals, Roth Gold IRA. A Roth Gold IRA offers a different but equally compelling tax advantage. Contributions to a Roth Gold IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning they are not tax-deductible. However, the beauty of a Roth IRA lies in its tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. As long as you meet certain requirements, qualified distributions from your Roth Gold IRA in retirement are completely tax-free. This means you will not owe any federal or state income taxes on the gains and withdrawals from your Roth Gold IRA, providing significant tax savings in retirement. The choice between a traditional and Roth Gold IRA depends on your individual tax situation and retirement planning goals. If you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement than you are currently, a Roth Gold IRA may be particularly advantageous, allowing you to lock in tax-free withdrawals in the future. If you are seeking immediate tax deductions and prefer tax deferral, a traditional Gold IRA may be more suitable. Regardless of whether you choose a traditional or Roth Gold IRA, the tax advantages offered by these accounts are a significant benefit. They allow your precious metals investments to grow more rapidly and efficiently, maximizing your retirement savings and providing a powerful tool for long-term wealth accumulation. 7. Control and choice. Direct investment in precious metals. Unlike many retirement investment options that are managed by fund managers or brokerage firms, a Gold IRA offers a greater degree of control and choice over your precious metals investments. As the account holder, you have the autonomy to decide which types of precious metals to include in your Gold IRA and when to buy or sell them, subject to custodian and IRS regulations. This control and choice are particularly appealing to investors who prefer a more hands-on approach to their retirement savings and who have a strong belief in the long-term value of precious metals. You are not simply investing in a generic gold fund or relying on someone else's investment decisions. You are directly investing in physical precious metals that you have chosen yourself. This control extends to the types of precious metals you can include in your Gold IRA. While IRS regulations specify the purity and form of permissible metals, you still have a range of options within gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. You can choose to allocate your Gold IRA holdings across different metals based on your investment strategy and market outlook. For example, you might choose to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to gold during periods of economic uncertainty and diversify into silver, platinum, or palladium when you anticipate industrial or technological demand for these metals to increase. Furthermore, the self-directed nature of a Gold IRA allows you to work with reputable precious metals dealers to purchase the specific metals you want to include in your account. You can research different dealers, compare prices, and choose the sources that you trust. This direct involvement in the precious metals acquisition process further enhances the sense of control and ownership associated with a Gold IRA. While the management of a Gold IRA requires more active involvement than simply investing in mutual funds, this hands-on approach is precisely what appeals to many investors seeking greater control and choice over their retirement savings. For those who are knowledgeable about precious metals or willing to learn, a Gold IRA provides a powerful platform for direct investment and strategic asset allocation within the tax-advantaged structure of an IRA. This audiobook has provided critical information regarding a Gold IRA. You may use this information in addition to your own further research to decide if you wish to consider this type of investment. It is also recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know, and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial investment or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.